Lovely student, welcome to Science Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter Understanding Elementary Shape. Exercise 5.4, we are doing question number 11. Let's check it out what the question is saying. All the previous questions we have already completed. You guys can go and check it out the playlist. Measure and classify each angle means in this particular figures, okay, some angles are given over here. It is mentioned over here. We have to write down the measures, okay, and which type of angle it is. Okay, whether it is an acute angle, it is a right angle triangle, it is an obtuse angle triangle, okay, or whether it is a reflex angle triangle. So we have to find it out, okay, and we have to mention over here, okay. So by using the protector, first of all we have to find it out these particular angles, okay, measure of these particular angle, okay. So in the compass box you will get this type of protector. You have to place it, means over here you can check it out, this center line, this particular point you have to place, okay. Here the two rays are intersecting, okay, where the two rays are intersecting means two rays are like this is the intersection point, okay. So we will place over here to find out the measure of these particular angles, okay. So we have to place this particular point, okay, in the angles where they are intersecting, or you can say where they are intersecting, okay. Means we have to place this particular dot, okay, this particular point, okay, where the angles are getting intersected, okay, like this. Over here the angle is like this, means this is the intersection point, okay. So we will place this particular point over here like this, okay. So let's check it out. Now angle is angle AOB. Now just find out the angle first of all, beta. AONB means we are talking about this particular angle, AONB, okay. So I will place this particular point over here, okay. So let's do it. We will place this point over here like this, okay. Yes, okay. So AOB, you can check it out, okay. The lines, okay. So this line is exactly at 40 degree, okay. You can check it out. The line is exactly at 40, okay. We have to mean 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40, okay. So measure is 40-degree angle it is, okay. And you know the angle which is less than 90 degree is an acute angle triangle, okay. Whichever angle is less than 90 degree, it is known as acute angle triangle, okay. So I will write it down, acute angle over here, okay, acute angle. Now let's talk about AOC, okay. Over here we are talking about AONC, means we are talking about this particular angle, okay, this particular complete whole angle, okay. So don't get confused by this particular line, okay. You don't have to take this particular line, you have to just calculate it, okay. This particular angle you have to calculate, okay. So you have to place this point over here, okay. So we will put it over here like this. Yes, and you can check it out, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, okay, 100, 110, 120, 120, and the line is over here around 125 degree, okay. So it is 125 degree, okay. And the angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle triangle. Very good, obtuse angle triangle, okay. So we will write down obtuse angle, okay. You can write it down, okay, like this. Now we will talk about BONC, okay. BONC, now we are talking about this particular angle, BONC, we are talking about this particular angles, okay. So I will place this point over here, okay, and this 0-degree line over here we will take base line, this one, okay. So I will just rotate the protector first of all like this. So I will place the point over here, okay, and then I will just rotate it. Yes, now you can check it out. Yes, yes, okay. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 85 degree angle, it is 85 degree angle, okay. And less than 85 degree and sorry, less than 90 degree angle is known as acute angle triangle. Absolutely, so this one is acute angle triangle, sorry, or you can say acute angle, okay, acute angle. So now we are talking about DONC, means we are talking about DONC means this particular, okay. So again I will place it over here, this particular point. Yes, and you can check it out, it is exactly at just a second. Yes, now we have over here, just look at one thing better, that we have taken base over here, okay. Means the baseline is over here. So from baseline, okay, from baseline we will calculate 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on, okay. So the baseline is over here, so we will calculate 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like this, okay. So once we will place this over here, So we can calculate 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and it is coming exactly at 95-degree angle. Okay, I hope you guys understood how we are measuring it. Okay, and you know, greater than 90-degree and less than 180-degree is obtuse angle triangle again. Okay, it is an obtuse angle. Now we are talking about DONA. Okay, now DONA means we are talking about this particular angle. Okay, so we can take base, this one also and this one also. Okay, whichever we want we can take as base. Okay, so I'll take it. Okay, the base is this. Okay, so I'll just rotate it. So I will put it over here. Okay, now again you can check it out, because we have taken baseline is this one, so we have will calculate 0, 10, 20 from here. Okay, so exactly it is coming at 140-degree. You can check it out. Okay, so it is 140-degree angle. Again, it is an obtuse angle because it is greater than 90-degree but less than 180-degree. Okay, now we are talking about B, sorry, DO and B means DO and B. Okay, so DO and B, if you will check it out, you will straight away, you can say it is a straight line, and straight line is of 180-degree. Okay, so we can directly write it down that it is 180-degree angle, and it is a straight line, straight, okay, angle. Okay, so like this we can find it out. Okay, the measure of the angles and which type of angle it is. Okay, please be very careful while using the protector. Okay, you have to place the point, okay, exactly at the meeting point. Okay, and the 0-degree line should be straight, so you can calculate it out easily. Okay, I hope you guys understood that how we have completed this. Okay, so please do like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye bye. Okay, next exercise we will do in the next video, because we have finished this exercise 5.4. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.